This was our out-of-town trip in Morong, Bataan. Around 6 a.m. na kami nakabiyahe nito, and as you could see, puyat and antok pa yung mga pasahero natin. Ang way namin ito is sa NLEX, then dadaan kaming SCTEX, tapos mag-stop over kami sa McDonald's Subic before we go to Morong, Bataan. Past 7:30 a.m. na kami nakarating ng SCTEX. This was Friday, pero smooth and hindi ganun karami yung nakasabay namin sasakyan sa NLEX.
Parang kalbo na mga bundok eh, no?
Diyan tayo dati stopover, di ba? Zambales naman tayo nun. Sino ka din dali?
Ang cute ng pagkinabi mo. Papasok na kami ng Subic. If you go straight here, yan yung daanan pa Morong, Freeport Zone International Airport, pati theme parks like Subic Safari. Pero if you go right, andyan naman yung Harbor Point, Duty Free, at etong McDo kung saan kami mag-stop over.
First stop over, breakfast.
Parang nice pa kayo. Pakailan na. Pakilan na travel yan.
2 cards.
Happy, Kuya Orville?
Roll.
About Nika, are you happy, Nika?
Yeah.
Dumaan din pala kami ng Pure Gold Duty Free na halos tawid lang from McDonald's. Tip pala dito sa Subic, be mindful sa mga stoplight at intersection. If hindi functioning yung stoplight, it means first stop, first go. Always check the road signs din for speed limits.
Wow!
I like it. I like it. I like them. The hat. I like it. Excavator. Oh my God!
Kuya Orville, oh there.
Okay.
I'm an excavator.
Oh, baby, come.
Hi, Kuya Orville.
Hi,
Oh, dali, let's sing.
See you later.
Kuya, look.
Wow! Airplane! I like airplane too. The baby airplane.
Over there, Nika. Kuya Orville.
I like airplane.
Big, big, kuya.
I like.
Big airplane.
Yeah.
Dami nilang puno here. So many trees, Nika. So beautiful. Nika, where are we going? Where are we going? Kuya Orville, where are we going? Where?
Where? To the beach.
Where?
To the beach. To the beach. Beach.
We are going to the...
Beach.
Yeah! You're happy? You're excited?
Yeah.
Wow! Slow down, guys.
Game na game.
Hi, Kuya Orville.
Hi. Let's go to the beach.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Let's...
Go to the beach. I'm excited.
I love you, Nika ko.
I love you, Mommy.
Uy, dami broccoli. So many broccoli. You want broccoli? Ha? So many broccoli.
It's a video, Ate Kulot. It's video.
Mango.
You want mango? And
We have
also,
mango.
What mango? Ganyan, no?
I want apple tapos watermelon.
Oh, watermelon.
Wow.
So,
Ano to, cherry blossom?
Dagat oh, sa gilid mo.
Yes. Here. Makikita natin yan.
Pag natanaw nyo na yung overlooking sa dagat, next landmark na yan is Anvaya Cove. Malapit na yan sa Morong proper.
Oh, nakita niyo yung dagat? Tingin lang kayo sa kanan nyo. Ay, dagat na. Ayun. Nandito na eh.
Ayun o.
Ayun, Gold Coast Resort. We're here na, Nika.
Almost the same.
Yeah.
Yahoo!
We're here. Hi, Ma. Hi. Let's go. Hi, Kuya Orville. Kuya Orville. Where's your crocodile?
ba't malamig?
Salamin,
Okay.
Kuya, asa si crocodile, kuya? Ay, hindi. Dalawa kay Panini hawak crocodile, ah. Boing. Oh, where? Get ko? Okay. That's not your daddy. That's not your daddy. Oh, there's daddy now. Dagat. Sinundan ka na anak mo. Nakainom-inom na. Lub-lub-lub-lub na siya kakahabol sa'yo. Oh, video nga to eh.
At break muna sa pagligo dahil gutom na kami. Iba talaga pag kasama yung mga lola, no? Slash mama. Di ka magugutom.